welcome once again to the Alfonsa School's e-learning classes, and I, Mrs. Sangeeta Oak, am here to help you develop your grammar skill once again. In the last session, we learned about the different degrees of comparison. Today, you are going to learn how we can transform these sentences from positive to superlative, superlative to comparative, and vice versa. Right? I'll start with few examples. Like here you see the example A, the Himalayas are the highest of all mountains. Right? Now if you have to identify these sentences, how will you identify whether it is superlative, comparative or positive? Right? We understood that the is used and the highest. So after the adjective high, we have added est. So this is superlative degree. In the next sentence, we see the second one, the Himalayas are higher than any other mountains. Now over here, how do we identify? We identify it again with the adjective higher and with the word than. So we understand that this sentence is a comparative degree. The next one, no other mountain is as high as the Himalayas. So the adjectives with the as in the beginning as well as afterwards helps us to tell us that this sentence is a positive degree sentence. Similarly, in the second example we will see again with the same thing. Mumbai is one of the most populated Indian cities. Now over here in the second way, right, because populated is a irregular adjective, right, we see that in this sentence over here we have added most and the adjective populated. So we understand that when we have used the word most, right, it is a superlative degree. Similarly, in the second sentence, Mumbai is more populated than most other Indian cities. Over here again we see the adjective populated is preceded by more and followed by than, right. So this is again we see it is a comparative degree. And in the last sentence example that we see over here, very few Indian cities are as populated as Mumbai. We see the adjective populated is followed by as and preceded by as well. So we know that this is a positive degree, right. So we know now to identify whether a given sentence is comparative degree, positive degree or superlative degree, how we can identify. Now further we will try and understand how there are different models or different types in the degrees of comparison. So we will start again with the first model. In the first model, if we see where the superlative is only one of its class, right, we see that we use only the, and in the positive degree we start it with no other or none other and as plus the adjective and as we see over here in the first example that we have seen over here, right. In this example A belongs to type 1, right, of degrees of comparison. So we see over here no other mountain is as high as the Himalayas, right. Then in comparative degree we see that we use than plus the any other or all other over here. Like over here we see in this example the Himalayas are higher than and we have used any other mountains, right. Similarly in the superlative we see that we have said that the followed by the highest. So this is the type 1 example of type 1 of degrees of comparison. In the type 2 we see when we are comparing one thing with many other given things, right. In the superlative we see or we use one of the, and for that the positive we start with very few, right? Like this we will see with the example given here, the B example. Like over here, see, we have started for the positive degree, we have started with very few Indian cities are as populated as Mumbai. So we have started with very few because along with Mumbai there are other cities also which are as populated as Mumbai. So we say very few. In the comparative degree we have seen or we use Mumbai is more populated than many other or most other Indian cities, because there are other Indian cities also. And in the superlative degree we use the word one. So we say Mumbai is one of the most populated Indian cities, right? So with this we try and understand the two different types of superlative, comparative and positive degrees. Now in the type 3 example, right, over here I have another example in the comparative degree. Her sister is wiser than her, right? Over here now we understand again that it is comparative degree because we have used wiser and than, right? Now over here we see in this comparative degree that the sister and the girl is compared directly with each other, right? So in this, if we see or we understand, we cannot have the superlative degree. In this type, the superlative degree is impossible. So now how do we convert it into positive degree? To convert it into positive degree, we see that this sentence is affirmative, right, in the comparative. Now while converting it to positive degree, we have to make this sentence a negative degree. Now negative sentence, how do we make it into a negative sentence? Now in the positive degree we say we swap the two things, right? We say over here we start with she, so her over here becomes she, right? Vice, we write vice, and then we write here her sister. Now how do we make it negative? In the positive degree, to make the sentence we write she is not as wise as her sister. This way we convert it from comparative degree to positive degree, right? So in this session we have understood the three models or the three types of degrees of comparison, where in the first one, in the positive sentence starts with no other, none other. The next one, the positive sentence starts with very few, and in the next one, in the third type we see that it becomes a negative sentence, right? And in the comparative it becomes affirmative or vice versa, right? I hope now with this session you will be able to transform the sentences from positive to comparative and from comparative to superlative. Thank you.